Wait, guys, what is this now? Why is Zoleka being so cozy with Hlathi right in front of Lazarus? Kanti amantombazana anjani vele? You know, I don't care what happened on the recent episode of Inimba. What I know is that being a good guy never pays. Guys, that is the lesson of, in fact, it's the, what do you call it? A word of the day. Yeah, it's the word of the day. Now, I want to talk about the treatment that Zoleka is giving to Lazarus recently. And let us talk about that more here in this video. Before going to the video, I would like to request you, ladies and gentlemen, to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support us going down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching these videos. Guys, I have been saying this. Being a good guy doesn't pay and will never pay. You know, Zoleka begging Hlathi to perform a ritual for Bavumile is one thing, but her allowing Hlathi to touch her like that and playing all mother and father on the child right in front of Lazarus was a total disrespect, and that needs to be put out there. I also understand that a baby was at stake here, and the only solution to the problem was for Hlathi to perform a welcoming ceremony for the child. But what I don't understand was, why was Zoleka so quick to decide to go to Hlathi? Hey, you know, I don't even know how to explain this whole thing. You know, it didn't really look like Zoleka considered the fact that Lazarus lied to his whole family to save her. Now, think of Mr. Ncukana when he finds out that Lazarus lied to him, and he did not just lie to him, he lied to the Ncukana ancestors. Imagine that. They even lied about Umajola visiting the child, and Lazarus agreed to that because he was supporting his girl Uzoleka, and he did all of that for what? To be treated like a stranger when the real father of the baby is around. I really hope that Zoleka will be able to protect Lazarus in this whole situation. This will even start when the name changing thingy. Knowing that, he will want to give his son a new name and will refuse calling him Mavumile. So I want to see Zoleka's reaction on that. I want to know if she's going to side with Hlathi or she's going to side with Lazarus. But then, guys, the night is still young on this one. There's a lot that is still going to happen on the show. So for more updates, just subscribe to this channel and don't forget to comment there on the comment section. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like it. Subscribe to the channel if you ain't subscribed, as I've mentioned before. And don't forget to share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.